the government name na.
Me did biaba.
Okay.
Me did biaba. Kofi Asante Kwate Fifi Manfred.
Okay.
But we didn't wo.
We didn't do. If you call one chain.
Sir.
And only they am fat.
Sir, no, I'm fine. And only idea here.
Yeah, you make a show. I do have a fight.
And then Bessa, no, baby, I'll go free, you know. A dinning I do once Fantini Quiapim.
Yeah.
And Dino so dear come up and no. Sir. And being a chance, yeah, now.
Maybe end the chance.
End the chance.
So you're in the bone. And here, me papa manga said,
sir.
Yeah, exactly.
And know your family name.
Hi, me papa manga said,
sir. Okay. So, family name, Dianka Mihu. There's an anchor English name, Dianka Medri Nicodemus.
David, Busandi. Papa manga said, Udu and Yinema.
Okay.
Dia Obodi no Munina anymore. Most of my step siblings have it. But
yam fan free of you.
Yes, I need yam fakra. Yam fakra.
But now, from the boss of penalty, me say.
I know.
They near pass my country. Kofi, you come over the weekends when the matches are also. And yeah, for Carabao. Arsenal for Arsenal. I get him sanka way there on my bed. The debater. Acquire City near Arsenal, City Arsenal. Yeah, go back. Yeah. Sir, Aka 2, right?
Yeah, any FA.
Aka 2.
Yeah.
We him. Yeah. Because Champions League needs see a City a few with 20 minutes for no Caribbean.
But Gabi, you see, I think he said in the last bare 5, 6, 7 years, if there was ever a time when Arsenal like about Man City, now the average Arsenal fan a confidence Arsenal beating Ashani weekend.
Yes, of course. Mekwanam was IGD,
because of course, even those of us who are not Arsenal fans we look at Arsenal from a different lens, you could believe it's okay, where the Arsenal version.
Yeah.
Because maybe a City club need free bar, not so good results. Arsenal for the B League, they are 9 points.
Yeah.
Champions League City a free mama match buy no for Liverpool Seneco. And for those of us that constantly cast Arsenal Belgian League, no. For me, I've said say winning this trophy, which was the Carabao Cup, no Arsenal teenage, no better the empirical evidence. Because who said Arsenal got 5 years and 7 months on J Trophy. And Arsenal spent a lot of money. 1 billion maybe. Almost spent this cap. They've built a squad. But only a trophy to show. And Arsenal as a club know a history of consistently being the nearly men. From the days of Arsene Wenger and the likes. Arsenal back close. Not Jose Mourinho Aveseno. Arsenal back close. Not Arsene Wenger Babeji. Not Sales against Babeji. It as a club they have all of those attributes of maybe only the second and third almost me first. But it looks as if after building the project for the last 5 years, they are closest than ever. So last weekend should have been the biggest commemoration of Arsenal for winning the trophy and probably go on to win the league and maybe the Champions League, maybe the FA Cup, and Arsenal Maga say, hey, you are just quadruple.
Because what's the Sunday?
Then start winning. Because Gabi, psychologically, anti-Arsenal players.
Okay.
Because you finish your team here, you say obi a team channel. If they had won psychologically, so now the conversation around say FIFI man for Babeka say, oh, Arsenal won the bubble, but only team in a trophy, that is dead. Now psychologically they've won. There is empirical evidence to show say, the trophy maybe. But BBC Agabi, it's always going to take extra work, and for me, tactical brilliance on the opposing manager. Gab, Pep Guardiola winning 40 titles as a manager. In that 40, 19 of them, he has won it in the last 10 years at Manchester City. If you want to strike the average and not be perfect in terms of striking of the average now, the mean gives you at least 2 trophies per season. It means that out of the 10 seasons now, Pep Guardiola, our Man City, and your cross season, you're because in 10 years already, the season is yet to end, over 19 trophies. And now, Joseph Guardiola has added to the list of managers for England that are winning the most Carabao Cups. In fact, we have signed Jose Mourinho, we have signed Sir Alex Ferguson, and we have signed Brian Clough to win 5 Carabao Cups. Gab, how did Pep Guardiola do it? Because you to say it has been a season of Pep Bono and said the team has been struggling to perform. Nikai, after the Madrid game, Pep Ekokobo on the 4-4-2 against the 4-2-4 against Avero Abeluano. When people started saying, oh, Pep overthink it, game preparations are he does too much. I came here and I stood and I said, that is not the case. Because one year, you follow only the results-based analysis and think that Pep made mistake. Madrid in the last few weeks about 4-4-2. Oh, person stop here 4-4-2. You press them in a 4-2-4. With 4 players to narrowly press up front to prevent central progression. Then Osansu ball 2 fullbacks are only more center backs than 2 players. Rich in the game, Alvaro Arbeloa out-taught Pep Guardiola, added an extra midfielder, and they won the numerical superiority. Or this high game plan and the Arsenal this weekend. Very, very similar. And also on your tactical border, the goalkeeper James Trafford, because on one that consistent in the Carabao. And about Matthias Nunes, Abdelkader Kosinov, Nathan Ake, and Brent and Nico Oriali. Before the game, there was bad news in the absence of Brent and Ruben Dias. Then it means that you have to reshuffle the back and bring in Abdelkader Kosinov. Again, Asemba Kwadi Biametaka, and I'll say it consistently there. We as analysts, sometimes it is easy for us to say, oh, play away by an Amfa, play away by Onyadi. But we forget to take into account the importance of a settled team. Abdelkader Kosinov will buy it, and easy man. With time and a settled team at Man City, he's beginning to pick form. And in the last 2 games at City Abono, he's one of the standout performers of City at Cheonom. Pep went back into a midfield 2, again with Rodri and a bench friend Bernardo Silva. So I call Madrid. Now go say, Nico Gonzalez the bench. Oh, Mateo Kovacic will free Jeba. Oh, your friend is saying Adam midfielders will team. Tijani Reinders will team. Why don't you pack the midfield 2? Why not? 4 attackers. He didn't see him again. This time, instead of Savinho or starting with a branch friend Ryan Cherki, but still with Semenyo on the right on the wings, Doku on the left, and Erling Haaland. Now, why did Pep do this? Kabi, our Premier League this season, Adia Bakwa, Arsenal, it's central progression. He said, the way born Ababe Druno, most managers, a lot of manipulations. Or the ball never called the wide area. Now we overload the central area and some of the ball never FIFI. A lot of managers in the modern game believe strongly that so you control park in FIFI, you control the game.
Okay.
Say you start saying ball. Oh yeah, there are 5 zones on the field of play. The wide left, wide right, half space on the right, half space on the left, and then the central zone. Now every football tactical connoisseur will tell you that it's in the central zone that's the most dangerous. Wide left, wide right there. You are away from the goal. But these central zones, half space, left half space, right half space, central zone. Play a Jibo one and who because this is the most dangerous place. Pep 4-2-4 robo in Yinano. A Jimpo and a catch and he said, Obe preventing Arsenal from accessing the central zones.
Okay.
Into the Onya Bona. Fako wide. What the call wide in but they will rather you take the ball to the wide. Now, this is a graphic on our screen. I think this is from the Athletic or so. Where am I a percentage by percentage? How Arsenal were able to progress the ball throughout the field of play. And my catcher said, you have 5 separate zones. Kabi, so first half and Arsenal were this side now. They were only able to progress the ball in the central zones to 4%, 3%, and 2%. Then 4%, 3%, 3%. 4%, 2%, 5%, 4%, 2%, and 4%. Arsenal didn't go over 5% in successful ball progression in central areas. NC. But the right hand side, I have red highlighted. No, and Arsenal team progressive on the power on this side.
8%.
Progress 8% in that area.
Now, so we have 5 being so.
5 being
right on.
Now, Man City. Man City, they are more even, especially in this area. 5%, 6%, 5%, 9%, 5%, 4%, 5%, and 6% in terms of ball progression. How did Manchester City come out about this style of play? Saying you will prevent Arsenal from progressing the ball from the middle of the park. And I'll tell you about it. Now, so we were showing bit maybe a tactical board na mamia. So okay, game Nibia. Almost every time Nibia Man Arsenal benya ball on person mo build it up. Obi ohwe ball no be especially first half. Also game you too boring. So okay dia. Ball no be can your friend is saying Ebeka Gabriel Magalhaes nsa na ba beka William Saliba nsa. They don't know how to progress the ball because Arsenal were playing in a 4-2-3-1 or a 4-3-3, whichever nominal formation that was. And a Man City for no able in more like a 4-2-4 with and without the ball to be able to manipulate the press and make sure somebody control game no anymore. What that did for them and they say Ushe Man City anymore man. Cap Arsenal for nya ball no these two players, that is Gabriel Magalhaes and William Saliba no progress here because Man City 4 players in the attack no. Omo press omo wide players, omo fullbacks no.
Okay.
Omo jine pack in FIFI. So
we had the can rise man son of
progressing ball. It's omo ba blocking the passing lane into the central zone.
Okay.
And omo ja Ben White mama. And omo ja
what the edge was
so. Mama. But the plan is that omo nim say Arsenal for no pelong bo. Arsenal for ni say omo very combative fullbacks and center forward. Into Arsenal Shana and FIFI the easiest way out for them and natural for Arsenal so no bomb.
Okay.
Throughout this season, so press Arsenal now either aggressive and they are not finding ways to progress. They're able to go long, and that's what I've said several times that Arsenal are not able to dominate almost every phase of play. You want a shot to beat Nyabo, you want a long to beat the second box. But Man City had a plan. Let us force them not to play through us. Near force you say they be almost long. But almost long, and that is why the importance of starting Antoine Semenyo on the wing was the right tactical plan.
Energy no ho.
Yes.
Speed and so the better
yes.
out.
Me kai say a time Man City ba beto Antoine. Asem ko me kai which is different from what a lot of people will say Bema goals original box the more sorry. I constantly say from the OOP out of possession shape no Antoine Semenyo is very important for City. Because a ball in Chroma they need somebody to be the press trigger. And like you are saying, the energy, the intensity, Antoine brings it. It is Arsenal for the ball long, echo into this area to find Trossard or find Nkapia quickly. Antoine Semenyo presses. So on this side, so share Nhyira Brandt friend Nico Oriali could come from the number 2 position, constantly to get into the boxes that Arsenal for the team progressive ball. Bonnie Bana be Ben White, then Bukayo Saka will drop as a number 7 to come and receive the ball. Now Oriali Dinechi, to the extent that Bonnie became all the 2 goals, Nico Oriali attacked the box elite. It was such an excellent, well-executed game plan from Joseph Guardiola Gap. And I think that he deserves all the credit. And this is the second goal Nico Oriali shared. Now, look at this clearly. Abrantia, your friend, Bukayo Saka, Abadechi. Because Arsenal are not successful in terms of progressing the ball forward into Aba. The very first thing Abrantia and friend Nico Oriali ever joined home, hey, friend, the rest defense. Rest defense, they say, attack for Nikita Bona. Defense, they rest it. It's player without the ball, defender won't get the ball, then abe. So he's thinking about his rest defense.
Okay.
But Bukayo can't echo, so he knows that opportunity about. It is in this zone between the 2 center backs and the BMA Nico Oriali and BBC in the second goal. And for me, it was tactically well executed by Pep Guardiola. And in the Mrantiano, the ball progression from the back, the ability to control the game in terms of the central zones, and then the fact that almost prevented Arsenal from having a foothold of the game, was one of the best things that you could see. It was a good game.
So the question is it Senia Obia kind of abontin say Pep Guardiola name game be say one of game be say born. And in a case now say just Arsenal na Amba patch.
Oh, I think Pep was better than them. Maybe in the course of the game, which Mark say Mikel Arteta and technical bench, Omentinian thinking on their feet to change things.
Okay.
But again, I think the Arsenal forward do not have the personnel on their side. Maybe that is also as a result of Arsenal for over reliance on physicality and squad building. An example is that say Enke Arsenal idea the way City and Bernardo Silva bet me be football on FIFI. A career konenim.
Okay.
Ryan Cherky bet me be football on FIFI. A career konenim. But they do maybe now Arsenal able Bukayo Saka as the 10. He was out of sorts. And then in natural position. Every year the Amobo Nibi. Udigard any honum. Thomas Partey, who is an excellent line breaker, was out of the team. So they lacked that profile. If it was Man City, they had the profile to make sure they turn the game around. Plus City's excellent game plan. Now, only party, I don't know if people are saying that he is cursed or Wembley cursed.
Keba.
Ready use a case
before the game no be cast on wada Bobby say wada name Simuni I don't know. Uni I don't know.
Because the way I born a fan in Sempa first one.
And Zamfa. Nidia na me dwene wa me but because so we can fear ti da.
Only you
good quick papa but edu baby say I say baby anka we hear the services pa no. Now as we do here.
Gabi uni about 1 month ago. Mr. Ranopa. And then I made dream goalkeeping situation home at Chelsea. And that was the day I gave up on Robert Sanchez. It's not if goalkeepers win radio. But in some one as a big club, and it is okay say you just give up and let them go. And I think that's the case with Obisa Robert Sanchez. Or a good shotstopper.
Yeah.
But you can't go a full season without releasing.
Yeah.
Say I know so cry anything when about Kubiaba.
Na no so
Me I can say Robert Sanchez Yanka. So goalkeepers like Kepa is Abalaga.
Because e bi na Kepa ye.
Yeah.
And no be na Edward Mendy so be the same thing. Omo you good. But I say Andrew Onana the same thing na no the Manchester United.
Problems on home. So goalkeepers like Kepa maybe Mikel Arteta has learned the hard way, but I don't think so. Nyaka about final Bima or the Kepa is Abalaga. But Gabi the Arsenal Michelle, don't be worried. This season, Arsenal are caught about 50 matches. Kabi, we lose 4 pe.
50 matches.
We lose 4 pe. Now 4 no we lose no. The one say. The last 3 na Olusi, you know say Olusi 4th match on more on the next match. But the last 3 no Olusi no. So Olusi are 18 games unbeaten. First time Arsenal Lucino.
Okay.
18 games unbeaten after that. The next one 14 games unbeaten after that.
Okay.
The third one 12 games unbeaten after that.
So
I can just about 8 or 10 matches to go.
Okay.
If you are basing on that data,
then Arsenal Timothy League.
Don't worry, League. For me, this is the decider. But I think Arsenal will go on and probably go on. And
say you follow that trend now or more corner there. Yeah. It means roughly as if the match at 12.
Yeah.
Echo and I say the 11th man and
exactly. Arsenal will lose so much.
Okay.
You don't have to worry. Come in Arsenal AJ Carabao Cup no. Na Liam Senior son in the brand here.
I say you know fixtures now or Dawson. I say Dawson.
Gabi
Dawson.
Chelsea problem no any bako any me no. Bruni can have brought.
But Kofi, me view the players not give you up.
Yes, to an extent, maybe. And Dalian make can speak to my okay. Omabre. Honestly speaking, against na many Zando any Eugene and Eshe Everton match. Ne ye kosha Zando with you. Any ye Zando ho ne ye shebo na yet one Zando say hey, also share Chelsea match Obre pa o. Say na. Because now there was a lack of intensity from the players.
Yeah.
Application was bad. God, maybe at Chelsea one. The issue of the lack of intensity for me comes down to players in Bromabre. I don't want to quickly say they don't believe in Yamo Senior because so be kaya. San you will be at Chelsea for you who say no. We saw some of these things under Maresca. And me, obeying my love and my fondness for Maresca. So today, I'm sure nobody will say that, Liam was senior safety no Casa. You know why? It's in here in such a way, say, it's in open football. You cannot. So, I'm a Carabana Maresca. No Maresca able fear. They be not Chelsea fans across Stamford Bridge. Because also born here boring, too slow. I didn't know inverted regimes, about parking FIFI. I didn't know regimes of fullback. The truth of the matter is that if you don't have a lot of physicality or parking FIFI, you will be outrun. There be teams and you will be will outrun you. There has been data from BBC. Gap here. Maresca time this season, Premier League game. About 19 matches. Liam was senior about 10.
Okay.
Points per game, Maresca 1.6, Liam was senior 1.7. Let us ignore that because among the same matches, I don't want to look at that.
Okay.
Goals per game, Enzo Maresca 1.7, Liam was senior 1.9.
Ahead of Enzo.
Enzo Maresca. Goals conceded. Now goals per game, any conceded. Maresca conceded 1.1, Liam was senior 1.4. Maresca since you have matches, I see a more reserved. Near control game, with inversion of the fullbacks, near formation. Sanis 0-0 drop on your quiet. Okay, done. Going to open up against Everton, playing a midfield of Lavia Caicedo with Enzo as number 10. Our better friend Cole Palmer as the right winger, you'll be outrun.
Okay.
You cannot be able to press from the front aggressively. Maybe Rossini need good. But the problem at Chelsea goes beyond just the manager.
Oh, yes, of course.
It's you say go for Rebecca, so Rossini and Onyade, he's not a good manager. Chelsea but the truth of the matter is that problem near our club it goes beyond him.
So is it the case, sir? Because now after the game, Nami really be said, yeah, simple info few said the only problem more enforce say chinchina some Pamela Lemros in your say squad building and you on building squad at the man. So they have that thought say so most season in year. Near where the new increase in BA or don't be recommended near where say BA or no
first of all, penny for million.
Okay.
I say Chelsea for start here, and I was one of the people that propagated what they said. Say squad no more building. They are not building for a specific manager.
To be a bear so
they can't tell us that today. Say squad for senior. When I also saw that report. I rubbish the report because you can't tell me today this story. The issue is that Liam Rossini won the ball. Maresca did not play his football. Maresca hide the fault as a club.
Okay.
And I'll make it just okay. You've been 1-0, 0-0 near the doctor for. Liam Rossini about I'll do some boys to make me a block. You talk about Paris Saint-Germain. You play when you play still not about 3 back. You go attack it.
Okay.
You go against Everton. Or see you 4-4-2. Cole Palmer right winger. Enzo Fernandez number 10. We're showing you team pressing. Cole Palmer doesn't press well.
So I feel now my baby. So not already Chelsea will problem that.
What is that? It is
but not Enzo na hiding the problem no. Okay.
Chelsea problem no what is that? Chelsea squad building no. Omo tom players no. Adia bakwa anyone man obi aka nyame na America. Goalkeeper a problem. Omo need dominant center back. Especially after Leverkusen play obetimi very aggressive. What's the for form drop it. Plus Chelsea need physical midfielder. Apart from Caicedo. It will be say Elliot Anderson. Obi say number 6 obi cover a lot of ground Amadou Adona Chelsea maybe. And it obo against these teams that they be Enzo Maresca per se the fullback ni be inverted. Then you get more numbers without the ball. It you book him not quick your counter pressing. But what you ever think again I love you Caicedo. Caicedo push ya no go quick come aka Enzo aka Cole Palmer aka Joao Pedro ne Lavia. These guys can't win the ball back for you.
Okay.
It's not how more of a stroll our partner so na time 7-7 you cannot watch that game and anything I make us say maybe Chelsea in your top 4 and they be the big problem for Chelsea say Chelsea to win Champions League sporting directors don't have to get it right in the summer.
Okay,
maybe Chelsea own another this summer the sporting directors don't get it right. For me, I'll sack almost everybody there. Bring a proper sporting director that gets it right from the place because that is the most important thing. So Otis Enzo Fernandez after winning has not clarified his future. It is true. Yes, or in negotiations, or budget contract extension, and that is exactly what you do. Madrid won him by openly. But with the instability with Chelsea, the Enzo Maresca be yet and Liam Rossini after a couple of games, every player at age 25 will begin to think. But this is where also the Chelsea project of giving the boys long-term contracts was a smart idea. Ain't easy for Madrid or Paris Saint-Germain to take Enzo away unless it's on Chelsea's terms. So for me, it's a season now Chelsea near Michelle McCann at the beginning of the season. Keep on lowering your expectation. I don't know if after the international break Chelsea can turn because games now cannot ding. I'm usually optimistic with some of these things. But very, very difficult for Chelsea to turn it around. That was our game on Bebo again for the rest of the match. Which quickly the games in the Spanish La Liga now.
Okay.
Yes. What's it meaning? You see after the I think so yeah. After the game against Atletico, no. Rudiger, Courtois, Alaba, Militao are calling meeting to tell the boys say they are backing Alvaro Abello.
I said that go cracker. Oh no small boy no. It is yeah the team no and can ask move. Small boy.
But Gabi, yeah, they be a mechanic same way. And I think I've said it for a very long time. Nientia Madrid the omutimi here in the Champions League League. and yet just because omo ye team Santiago Bernabeu soon be or and I say this are derby. But I think because Madrid it's me to the best players now. The most times Madrid are able to succeed is when they have a manager that is able to platform the players to the best of all abilities. You see, Xabi Alonso maybe did not succeed at Madrid because at Madrid he was trying to overcomplicate. Okay, you bought 4-2-3-1, 4-2-2, 3 back from Bayern for Leverkusen, Vini, stay in the positional zones, and Katim Maha, Jinaha receive for Avelo Abeloa. It's a hand around Vinicius Junior. Wahagino. No amount of 4-4-2 platform. No. Vini, Unyabona, cut in. It's not saying there is no tactics, but there is no overemphasis on it. I think, sir, I'm beginning to accept that some of the top players now, Messi, Neymar, and the likes, they don't want too much information like Carlo Ancelotti said. So Carlo in his interview the last time, even as Brazil manager, or see the best players who we ask and more information baby as coach. Who overcomplicating your mama?
Yes.
So they say, okay, your person we want you to be effective. Use your God-given talent to do that, and that is what Avero Abeloa is doing.
Take example here, they are carrying Manchester.
Exactly. Profile them right. And in that same sense of profiling, Avero Bino. No Federico Valverde they move right back.
Yeah.
And you see, who needs a midfielder come right back.
Position.
So if you're a midfielder playing midfield, it is a 4-4-2 where in a nominal setup Valverde is a midfielder, but he comes from the wing, and almost every time he has proven to be important. First ball long Bobby. Now Valverde didn't any control ahead of I think Molina or so. They look at the pace and say, wow, he's using his sense to get a job done. Practically, it was a very, very good game for Abrante friend Avero Abeloa, but no overemphasis on it. Vinicius Junior cutting in, a trademark of Vini in him.
Yeah. And
me Vini as him. In fact, I like Vini more than Mbappe for personal reasons. Now, many just say Vini has gotten Madrid to be successful when Mbappe was absent before Mbappe came. Because if Madrid Mbappe no Vini and Timan performing. After the game, no Vini was no the season he do time say when he plays that kind of football and he thinks that he's speaking right, Madrid have picked up the phone. What it means is that Barca getting that 1-0 win against Rayo was so important. Because imagine the Barca football draw against Rayo and Barca football against Rayo. So open it up. It was good that Barca got the results, and then one Garcia team was Spanish national team camp, and it's good. And then Women's Champions League game.
Now, say you can't say Pierre for na koyo ma de ni bi won
Women's Champions League games so hot.
Okay.
Mamima Orueti for coach. Mate. Namu fam Kofi Kesi once we prepare for the international games now. Gabi first one BW 48 4D 70 CC. That is the first one. Second one BW 48 4D 63 F8. Third one BW 48 4D 5A8. Fourth one BW 48 4D 4108. And our last one BW 48 4D A B B E. Gab, what your coach time the man with
okay.
Me social media handles ni nya so kwa on sabiti nya kabina. Wa coach.
Ya na se FIFI Manfred ana e de quarter the car fronta.